Need to fix a typo or update a detail in PandaDoc? Here's how to edit any document fast. And hit that subscribe button for more PandaDoc tips. Open your PandaDoc dashboard and head to Documents. Find the file you want. Use the search bar or filters if needed. Once you open the doc, click the Actions button in the top right. Then choose Edit Document from the drop-down. You'll get a confirmation. Peppa, click Edit Document again to continue. Now you're in edit mode. Add or remove content blocks, change fields, tweak the layout, whatever your doc needs. Once you're done, hit send and the updated version goes out automatically to all original recipients. They'll get a new email with the fresh version. That's it. Quick edits, clean updates, all in PandaDoc. Like and subscribe for more smart guides.